Thank you for joining me for this quick tutorial on how to make the cutest little bows using the Kitschy Christmas IOD Transfer. I'm Shannon with Creating with Shannon. Let's do a quick Christmas project using the all-new IOD Kitschy Christmas Transfer. So I have these picks from Hobby Lobby. They come with a set of 4 bells on them, and they're $4.99, currently 40% off, so they cost me like $2 and something cents. So I'm going to flip through my transfer book, and I like this piece of candy. I think it's going to fit perfectly on this little gold bell. So I cut it out, and I'm going to remove the transfer sheet. So I'm going to place it on the bell, and I'm going to give it a nice rub with my thumb just to get it in place and exactly where I want it. Then I'm going to use the transfer tool that IOD provides with all of their transfers and give it a nice rub. And I'm going to gently lift it up to make sure that it has all transferred on completely. If any part stuck to the carrier sheet, I can just simply put it back down and give it another rub. Look at this, peels off, beautiful. Now, look at these cute little bows. They are from Walmart, and they are wired, and they're shiny, and they already have the wire in them to tie them on this little bell. So I'm just going to run it through the hole, give it a good twist to make sure it's tie, and then I'm going to wind it up the metal part of the bow, which I will turn into the hook for later. And once I have the bow in place, I am going to go ahead and reform the bow. I'm going to cut the corners so it looks like a pretty bow. And voila, there you have it. I have 3 beautiful, super easy Christmas bells with the Kitschy Christmas Transfer from IOD, some bows from Walmart, and a bell pick from Hobby Lobby. Couldn't get any simpler. What do you think? If you like this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and my Facebook page. Thank you, and have a great day, and Merry Christmas.